This is the Minnesota weather. As you can see right now, maybe it's hard to see on camera, we're getting winter storm. I had plans to be out there, but now I can't. Minnesota weather can cause stress and depression, seriously. When you live in Minnesota, you make plans in winter to be out there, then Minnesota weather disposes your plans. So now I got to stay home, bored, lonely, but I don't want to be driving out there in the snow. Roads will be icy today. Saturday evening, canceling plans to be outside. If you live in Minnesota, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Even if you don't live in Minnesota, let me know in general what do you think about this weather. Suddenly it started snowing. Give a like, subscribe, support the work, spread love. That's what we deal with in winter every single day. Peace out.